Hi, I'm Michael.
And I'm Justin, and we're from Acme Tools, and Father's Day is just around the corner. So if your dad likes to keep his yard pristine, we have some great gift ideas for him.
If your dad needs to clear some leaves, the Milwaukee Gen 2 fuel brushless blower is the way to go. This thing is a monster. It's up to 4 pounds lighter than the Gen 1 blower. It works with the entire M18 battery line system, and it has 450 cubic feet per minute of air moving through at 120 miles an hour, so it can clear leaves up to 15 feet away. This thing's a beast. This blower has a high and a low setting, as well as being able to lock on so that it's easier to use for longer periods of time. Low setting is also going to save the battery, so that way he can use it for a lot longer with the high setting. As a part of the Milwaukee fuel line, this has a power state brushless motor, which is going to last a lot longer than traditional brushed motors, and it's also going to have a lot more power and use the batteries a lot more efficiently.
Be the coolest dad on the block with the Ego 56-volt battery-powered string trimmer.
As our battery-powered string trimmer, it's not going to have any of the downsides of gas, toxic fumes, loud noises, or any of the vibration that will irritate your hands after doing some trimming for a while. It's also going to be nice and lightweight without a heavy engine block on the end. And the batteries have a lot of power, ranging from anywhere between 2.0 amp hours all the way up to 7.5 amp hours. And that's going to cover basically your entire yard.
With the brushless motor, it's easy to maintain, and with a battery, you just plug it in and go.
And with the brushless motor, there's also no maintenance associated with gas. So you don't need to change the spark plugs, you don't need to check the oil, and you don't need to winterize it after the summer season. This trimmer has a carbon fiber shaft. It's lightweight while keeping the structural integrity of the tool. It's also really nice and balanced and easy to use.
With a safety lock and a variable speed trigger, you get the power you want for your trimming needs.
This trimmer has an automatic feed, so you never need to worry about the cutting width. And with the power loading system, changing your string has never been easier.
When your dad loves lawn care, you need to look at the DeWalt 2x20V Max brushless lawnmower. Completely battery operated.
Yeah, so it's not going to be loud or have toxic fumes like gas mowers will. It has a brushless motor, which is really efficient, and it's going to maximize the battery runtime. So some of the benefits of battery power is that there's not any of the noise associated with the gas motor. There's also none of the fumes or any of the vibrations going into your dad's hands, so his hands aren't going to be sore after mowing the entire lawn.
And if your dad already owns any DeWalt tools, you can power this with two 20V Max DeWalt batteries.
This mower is really easy to start. You just pull the lever and go. It also has a 20-inch cutting width, and it can really easily adjust from 1.5 inches all the way up to 3.4 inches at just a simple pull of a lever.
It's also a 3-in-1 mower. You can bag, mulch, and rear discharge. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope this helped. If you need any more lawn and garden ideas, check out our blog down below in the description.
Also, check out our website at acmetools.com for even more Father's Day ideas. And always remember, do your best work.